3, 2, 1, go. Meet our teams here in red. It's the Rolling Robots and the Hawks. In blue, Don't Forget to Breathe, our girl-powered team, and KAIZEN. Rolling Robots here looking for a 20-point score. Red with the autonomous bonus in 3, 2, 1, go. All right. That's all right. We didn't need that cone anyways. Just throw them all off the side of the field. 3796C, grabbing that mobile goal, doing a great job. That's Don't Forget to Breathe, one of our girl-powered teams here. Hashtag girl-powered, blast it out there. An incredibly important social media message to remind everybody of, and an important cause. REC President Dan Mance talked about it yesterday during the Parade of Nations, trying to get that 50-50 gender participation in all things STEM programs, from the students to the mentors, teachers, engineers. We want more women in STEM. So much untapped potential, extraordinary minds, young geniuses that we want to get involved, want to get robots into their hands. And this event helps facilitate that. 9932G in the meantime, grabbing some mobile goals, doing some scoring over on the driver's side of the field. The Rolling Robots here, building up a really big stack. Moving aggressively. That stack, swing back and forth gently, like wind chimes on the back porch. Hopefully it doesn't topple over. Red is in really good shape here. Rolling Robots going to look to put that into the 10-point zone. Let's see if they can do it successfully. Yes, they can. Nice and easy. No question about that one. On the meantime, here comes 4305A with a score in the 10-point area as well. Nice job. 2 seconds left. One. That's match 158 in the books. Just as a reminder, folks.